In this video we are going to talk about duration. In previous video we complete the activity sequence. As you know, our project start date was 18 June and finish date 17 July. So we will first schedule the project from here as per start date. Now you can see our all dates is changed as per sequence and as per the link which we in previous video completed. Now you can see our project is going up to the 20 October. So we will add one more column here for the baseline. Baseline start and baseline project finish. Okay. So bring this finish date up to the our original finish date as per the agreement. We will reduce the duration for each activity, like mobilization will be finish 2 days is okay. Mobilization for office 2 days is okay. Shop drawing 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. It seems okay. Material submittal 1 day we can finish all. Approval also 1 day. PO also we can put 1 day. Delivery 2 days, 2 days, okay. Surveying and layout marking we can put 1 day. Excavation 1 day. Leveling and compaction we can put 1 day. Clean concrete 1 day. Steel binding for 14, 3 days we can put. Installation of shuttering for 14, 2 days, okay. Concrete pouring 1 day. Removal of shuttering 2 days, 1 days. Steel binding for column 2 days, okay. Installation of shuttering and pouring concrete for column you can put 3 days. Backfilling 2 days, okay. Grade beam we can put 3 days. Steel binding for column for the superstructure work 3 days. Installation of shuttering for column 2 days, okay. Pouring concrete for column 1 day. Removal shuttering from column 1 day. Scaffolding for slab 2 days, okay. Steel binding for slab and beam. Steel binding for slab and beam 2 days, okay. Pouring concrete 1 day. Scaffolding removal you can put 1 day. Block work can be start earlier than scaffolding removal. But leave it like this. 3 days. Plaster 3 days. Paint work 2 days, okay. Slab on grade 2 days, okay. Skirting 4 days. Doors and windows 5 days. Snag list we can put 8 days. demobilization and handover. You can put also 4 days. Now I put this as per provided BOQ. Now we will schedule it again, and it's moved to the 16 November. Here you can see completion of snag list automatically updated as 7 November. We will go to the snag list, and here you can check it's showing 7 November. So its successor is completion of snag list. Also project finish going to the 16 November because it is link demobilization and handover. We will go here, you can check here, it's showing 16 November. We will see the calendar. Modify. Here you can see we added 12 hours. Now we will change it up to 10 hours. From here 10 10 10 10 10 10 and Friday holiday. Okay, and okay, then close. We will schedule after the setting calendar, we will schedule it again. It's move 1 month more. It's showing now 16 December, means project starting from 18 June up to the 16 December. It's mean it will be finished within 6 months. So we will adjust the project date as per the actual. Must finish by, we will add 17 December. Then when we will go to the activities, again we will schedule it, and we will check what is the critical activities in the project. Critical activities only you can check when you are meeting from the project finish date. Finish date should be your as per your agreement, otherwise you cannot see the critical path. The finish date should match from your agreement. So I make it 16 December. As you can say, it is as per agreement. Then we will go to the print. We will set print from here, options, grid lines, icons. Okay, okay, okay. We'll make landscape A3. Margin we can reduce. Header, in the separate video we will talk about the setup print. Now we want to see only critical path, so we will go to the here, we will click on the Gantt chart. Gantt chart was created by Henry Gantt, which was the first founder of Gantt chart. Now you can see Gantt chart is already created here. and you can see red color is our critical activity. We will right click here and we will make show legend. Okay, here you can see red color is the critical path, which is mobilization, shop drawing layout, shop drawing layout approval, submittal of batch plant, and these all are critical. Also we can add one more column. We will remove this baseline project start and finish. We will add one column total float. From here we will add, already total float is here, you can see it's showing minus 70 days because we don't fix until now our project finish date. We will reopen the project and we will reschedule it again. It is showing minus 70 because of we fixed the constraint project finish date as per the constraint milestone, which was the 17 July. Again we will assign finish on and we will schedule it again. Still it is showing minus 70. First we will finish this constraint. We will make known. We will reschedule again. Now you can see it's removed already. Now we will reassign the constraint from here and we will click on finish on or before. Now our constraint is reassigned. You can see our total float is coming now 0. The total float should be 0 for critical activities. You can see all 0 total float is our critical path. Then we will go here. We will see the bar chart again. You can see red color is our main critical path up to the demobilization and handover, and it is the hard logic. You can see all activities from surveying and layout marking are critical because it's affecting the project finish date. Now our preliminary schedule is completed. We will set up the print from here. bar chart, you can see it's mentioning now. We will set up the print. Okay, you can put here project name or pictures, logos of client and company logos. Also you can increase the number of column from here. Apply. You can put company name or logo. Modify. Here showing date and time, I will remove it. I will assign company name, building construction company. Okay, apply. You can see name is appearing here. We will change the format. 18 bold. You can give any color. Okay, apply. Little bit make it in the center. Okay, also you can put more logo and more column in the header, and in the below, in the footer you can also add page number, your name, and bar chart. Anything you want you can add in the footer. Gantt chart legend we edit. In the option, if you don't want to show Gantt chart, you can remove from here. Apply. It will be disappear. Then reapply. Now this is your preliminary schedule is ready as per the project start and finish date. All activities we link, we create, and we give the duration to each activity. In the next video we will talk about how to analyze the resources. Please make sure you should save the file of Primavera after each step, because if it will be damaged, you have to rework again. So after each step you should save the Primavera file. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.